Assalamu alaikum. Now we will solve exercise 15A2. In the graph paper below, plot R1 where R1 equals A plus B. Okay, this is A and this is B, and let us plot A and plot B, the end of B from the head from A. Okay, A has 4 units on X and 4 units on Y in the northeast direction. Yes, and B has also 4 units on X and 4 units on Y in the southeast direction. The head of the tail of the second one from the head of the other. Yes. This is A and this is B. Yes. And R is plotted from the tail of the first one to the end of the other. To the head of the other, from the tail of the first one to the head of the other. Yes, this is R1. Okay, this is R1. Plot R2 where R2 equals A minus B. Yes. To do the subtraction, how can we do the subtraction? We draw the two vectors, the tails of the two vectors from the same point. Okay, we draw the tails of the two vectors from the same point. So let us do that. Yes. Yes, this is B. This is A. Yes, 4 units on X and 4 units on Y. And the resultant of the subtraction is drawn from the head of the second one to the head of the first one. From the head of the subtracted one to the head of the first one. So it is drawn from the head of B to the head of A. Yes. This is R2. R2. Okay. Plot R3 where R3 equals B minus A. B minus A. So draw the two from the same point as we say before, because this is a subtraction, and when you are doing a subtraction you are drawing the both from the same point. Yes. Yes, this is B. Okay, and this is A. Hmm. This is A. Okay. And as we say before, the resultant is drawn from the head of the first one to the end of the others. So now it is drawn from the head of the A to the head of the C. From head to head. From the head of the first one, second one to the first, to the head of the first one. Sorry. From the head of the subtracted one to the head of the first one. Yes. Yes. This is R3. What can you notice? What can you notice from that? What is the difference between R2 and R3? R3 has the same magnitude as R2. R2 and R3 are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So R2 is the negative of R3. Okay? So R2 equals the negative of R3. So A minus B is the negative of B minus A. So A minus B don't equal B minus A. They are opposite. They are the negative of each other. Yes. So the subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction isn't commutative. Yes. And what is about fourth? Fourth are 4 equal A plus B plus C. Okay, let's do it. Yes. This is A and this is B. And what is about C? C is going at the opposite direction of B. So it is going from the tail of B to the other in the opposite direction. Yes, and this is how we write C because it has two units on X and 2 units on Y and going in the northwest direction and B going in the southeast direction. So they are opposite. So we write the end of D from the head of B. Yes, this is C. This is C. Okay, C. So the resultant is drawn from the end of the first one to the head of the other, or of the last one. Yes. Who is the last one? The last one is C. It is drawn from the end of B and going in his direction. In its direction. Yes. This is how it is should be done. R4. This is R4. Okay, yes. Fifth, plot R5 where R5 equals A plus B plus C minus C, sorry. So do it as follow: A plus B plus minus C. Yes, minus C is going in the north, in the southeast direction, in this direction. Okay, so let us do it. A plus B. Let us draw A and B. And this is minus C. Minus C. If you want to know what is minus C, just move the arrow from this end to this end. Okay, will be this way. This is minus C. Okay, so it will go at the same direction of B, 2 units on X and 2 units on Y. It should be here. Yes, this is minus C. The minus C is beginning from here to here. From the tail of the minus C is beginning from the head of the B. Okay, A plus B plus minus C. Okay, now we draw R5 where R5 is begin from the tail of the first one to the end of the other. Yes, this is R5. Okay, hopefully it was easy exercise for you. Try to solve it. If you couldn't solve it before seeing this video, but close this video and try to resolve it again. Okay, thank you.